Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to build a CallLog Android app using Kotlin and Jetpack Compose. This app will show incoming calls, outgoing calls, missed calls, call duration and date. And we will fetch everything directly from the Android CallLog provider. So if you want to learn how to access call history in Android, this video is for you. Source code link available in video description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what Android project you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.